Collaborate Ultra is a third-party software by Blackboard that is integrated into Sol. Collaborate Ultra is a real-time video conferencing tool that lets you add files, share applications, and use a virtual whiteboard to interact. It can be used for virtual classrooms, office hours, and meetings to provide possibilities for effective learning experiences and interactions. The Collaborate Ultra experience opens right in your browser, so you don't have to install any software to join a session. For the best experience, be sure that you are using Google Chrome or Firefox. Begin by clicking the Collaborate Ultra under Communication from the left navigation. Click Create Session to begin. Add the session name and provide the optional start, end, and early entry times. Move to Session Settings to define additional settings. Once you have the settings to your liking, click the Save button. The Collaborate Ultra sessions details will be displayed, including a guest link and teleconferencing information. You may also click to edit or delete a session. When the session is available, click Join Session. Looking back to Sol, move to the Recordings tab to view previous Collaborate Ultra session recordings. Hover over the Recording Options button for available choices. You can visit Blackboard's website and/or YouTube channel for features on how to foster the collaborative experience through their user interface and controls. Thank you.